Well, welcome back everyone. So I ended up going and getting the next 4 of the black pearls. So I thought I'd try our luck again with these. And then I picked up the next 6 of the $10 2024 doubler. So let's see what we can do with this round. Okay, so this is the black pearl. Looking to get the $50 or $100 up here in the instant win. Looking to match our numbers or get the pearl 5x or the treasure chest to win all prizes. Okay, so let's see what we do with these. Get the tree. 21, 24, 27. You can go back and watch the last round I did of these tickets. Hopefully we can do a little bit better. Wasn't a total loss. So nothing there. Ticket 86. $15, $22, $26. I mentioned they actually bought this ticket back. It's been out for a couple years, got 15 there, but they had several jackpots left. So sometimes these tickets do that. Other times, some of the tickets they sell out fast with the jackpots. So let's see, 15. What are we gonna get here? Since then they have said $5 that they are going to retire this in the end of the year, September. So ticket 87. They come out with so many tickets. I think some of these, like this one, get lost in the shuffle. 4, 11, 21. Nothing there. Last one of these, ticket 88. Be nice to get one of those burst here. Emerald. Nice to get the treasure chest. 2, 11, 26. Nothing there. Now let's move on to our 2024 doubler. This is the one where the top prize is $2,024, so they've got several of those. Get the noisemaker up here. Get a match down here, the Party Hat 2X, 4X 2024 burst, or the win all. So let's see what we get down here. 13, 17, 23, 28, 40. Okay. Noisemaker. Nothing there. The odds on this ticket are 1 and 3.08. Five, 11, 16, 23, 27. Okay. Be nice to get some winners. 5, 20, 21, 34, 39. Well, we got a win. What are we going to get on the noisemaker? $14. So we'll take that. Much needed. Better than nothing. 47. Go back to back. 7, 9, 30, 32, 35. Nothing there. Got 2 left. Ticket 48. Nine, 22, 25, 38, 40. Crazy. Can we finish off with a win? Ticket 49. Usually I'll get more symbols than I've gotten too with this round. 11, 23, 28, 33, and 40. There we go. So we got the 40 to 33. Another 33, 23, 33, 23. Win, win, win. Okay, so what are we going to get here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. A lot of work to get 14. Well, we got that 14. We got the other 14, so that's 28 back out of the 60 there, plus the 5 out of the black pearls. So we ended up getting 33 back out of the $80 on those. So a little bit less than half back. But definitely if you go back and look at the previous round, that's better than what we did then. But you just never know sometimes with lottery. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.